Hey everybody, it's Cherie by Sea, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of our deluxe balcony stateroom aboard the Disney Wish. This was a deluxe balcony stateroom on deck 6. Room 6048, and it was the Halloween on the High Seas cruise. That's why our door was so decorated. When you first walk in, to your left there is a closet with complimentary robes, and you can see that the light automatically comes on. Love that. And then the middle section of the closet has lots of shelving for shoes and fold-up clothes, as well as your safe and a life jacket. More life jackets on this side, and tons of hangers and hanging space for your dresses. And then right when you enter the room, to the right there is, of course, that's where you insert your card to turn on the lights. And then there is the toilet room, which I love that it's separate from the shower area. So, and that you have a sink in here with a light up mirror, so no one really has to fight over who can get ready first in the bathroom in the morning. And then you have your shower area here with a tub and a glass door, which was really nice. Full-size toiletries, body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, as well as a body lotion. Lots of shelving and that light-up mirror, which I love. The towels were super nice too. Removable shower head, which is also a plus for me always. And that is my favorite toiletry bag, hanging bag, and I have that product linked in the description below if you're interested. I don't travel without that. Our room was a Cinderella theme, so each deck has its own theme and you don't know what it is until you get there. Fabulous little reading light, so you can read without having obnoxious lighting with someone in the bed next to you. And then we have the Euro plug and USB outlets there. Your television that swivels. This room was a connecting room, but we did not need the connecting room, so we just left that locked. And then on this side you have USB-C as well as 2 outlets. And the curtain that divides in the middle, that's a nice touch. The couch is there. I don't know if it led out into a bed. We didn't need it, and I didn't think to check, honestly. There's your garbage for recycling and trash. Lots of shelving too in the vanity area with another light up mirror. And a little stool so you can sit and do your makeup. That's your cooler storage. Not a refrigerator, but a small cooler, nice for drinks or medicine that you may have. There's that Downy wrinkle release spray, another thing I don't cruise without. And this is really great if someone is ready to go to bed and the other person isn't. Or if you have, extra people sleeping in the room too. It just gives you a little added element of privacy. And here's the balcony area. There was a deck below us that you could see, but we did not have an obstructed view, which was nice. And this was a guarantee room, so we weren't exactly sure of what we were going to get. So we were pleasantly surprised that we had an unobstructed view. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this room tour, and I hope you'll consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more upcoming videos on the Disney Wish and other cruises. And until next time, as always, happy cruising.